All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to hook up our drip stake micro sprinklers that are used in some of our drip applications. These are nice if you have an area with a lot of ground cover where you're actually getting distribution piping or drip piping in, or a lot of dripper buttons won't really be a good solution. These give you small amount of spray anywhere from, it's adjustable anywhere from a couple feet all the way up to 15 feet, depending on the pressure. It's got this knob on the front that lets you adjust the sort of spray distance. And these just hook into standard drip irrigation tubing. I've got a couple examples here. So this is a piece of our 1/2-inch tubing. And what you're going to do is connect via the 1/4-inch tubing to this stake on one end there, and then one end to the sprinkler. So what you're just going to need for this is a way to punch a hole in there. Now these, each stake comes with actually a barbed fitting that twists off. It can be used to push in there. Sometimes if your tubing is soft enough, this barb will actually just punch right through without any tool. But we do sell a tool that makes a nice clean hole. So let's show you how to do that. So assuming this was a long piece of distribution tubing, we sell these up at 100-foot rolls. So what you would basically do is grip on there and let's see if I can get a good hole in there. Okay, so I've got a hole punched there. So what I'm going to want to do first is twist off this barb fitting on the end. Takes a couple twists. And then one end just punches into that hole. You'll feel it snap into place when it's in there. And then you take your 1/4-inch tubing, and that also goes on the barb. You just sort of twist it into place. And you can tell when it's kind of gripped on the barb, it's not going to come off. And then with the other end, you're going to do the same on this stake. And just twist that on there. So your tubing's now in the ground like that. You can stick your stake into the dirt, and you can position the head however you want it to be, adjust the flow, and you should be good to go. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.